everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to activate your Yes Bank debit card. There are basically different ways you can activate your debit card for Yes Bank. So let's get to them one by one. The first method is by using the online activation. Go ahead and open a web browser of your choice in order to activate your debit card online. In the URL box, type in yesbank.in and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Yes Bank. Go ahead and mouse over to the login button at the top right hand corner from the main official website. Click on Yes Online option to end up in the sign in page. Now, you will need to log into your Yes Bank internet banking account. Sign in by entering your login ID and then your password for your bank account. If you have any trouble remembering your login ID and password, you can get help by choosing one of the links at the bottom and follow through the instructions. After you are done entering all of the credentials correct, click on Log In and you should be able to sign into your Yes Bank account. Look for an option to activate your debit card or manage your card and follow through the instructions to activate your debit card online. Another way you can activate your debit card is by going on and contacting them via a phone call. Click on Contact Us button, which should be located at the bottom left menu from your main home page for Yes Bank. Once you end up in this page, you will be able to see these toll-free numbers that you can contact. Select your designation, choose the phone numbers you can call according to your location, and then after you make a phone call, follow through the on-screen prompts where the customer service will be able to provide you with instructions on how to activate your debit card over the phone. Another method is by simply visiting your Yes Bank ATM machines, any ATMs that belong to the Yes Bank network. Insert your debit card and follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. So that was how you can easily activate Yes Bank debit card within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.